As wine culture continues to flourish, the demand for high-quality wine opener sets is also rising. From casual sippers to connoisseurs, a reliable and elegant wine opener is essential. Whether you're gifting or upgrading your home bar, this guide evaluates the best wine opener sets based on functionality, design.
Circle Joy Rechargeable Electric Wine Opener Set 7-in-1 Aluminum Alloy Wine Gift Set. This premium 7-in-1 wine opener set by Circle Joy stands out with its durable aluminum alloy construction and minimalist modern aesthetic. Inside, you'll find a powerful electric corkscrew, foil cutter, wine pourer, and more, each designed to enhance your wine experience. The opener smoothly removes corks in seconds and is whisper quiet. A major highlight is the high-grade build, which feels more luxurious than typical plastic sets. Its compact charging base keeps everything neatly in place, ideal for countertops.
Rechargeable electric wine gift set. Aerator, vacuum stoppers, foil cutter, and bottle opener. A perfect fusion of style and functionality. This rechargeable electric wine gift set makes wine opening a breeze. Featuring a sleek electric opener, an aerator for enhanced flavor, vacuum stoppers to preserve freshness, and a foil cutter, it's the complete package. The opener is rechargeable via USB, making it eco-friendly and travel-ready. The ergonomic design ensures effortless cork removal in seconds. It's an ideal gift set for wine lovers and a stylish addition to any home bar. This all-in-one kit not only simplifies the wine opening process, but also preserves.
Circle Joy Rechargeable Wine Opener Electric Wine Bottle Opener 7-in-1 Wine Gift Set with Electric Vacuum Pump. Another standout from Circle Joy. This 7-in-1 set includes a unique electric vacuum pump for preserving wine, adding immense value.
The elegant electric corkscrew handles synthetic and natural corks effortlessly.
The included foil cutter, pourer, and stoppers ensure a full wine-serving experience. Its compact and aesthetic build is ideal for gifting or personal use. The vacuum pump feature is especially useful for those who enjoy wine over several days. Benino Wine Opener with stainless steel wine foil cutter. Premium wing corkscrew. For those who prefer a manual option, the Benino Wing Corkscrew is a classic. Crafted from heavy-duty zinc alloy with stainless steel mechanics, it's durable and reliable. The ergonomic wings and anti-slip grip make it easy to use even for beginners. The included foil cutter adds convenience. While it lacks electric features, it shines in simplicity, longevity, and ease of cleaning.
It's a budget-friendly and timeless tool every kitchen or bar should have.
Electric Wine Opener Set. Automatic electronic bottle openers with greeting card, vacuum stoppers combining performance and thoughtful gifting. This electric wine opener set includes a sleek opener, foil cutter, vacuum stoppers, and a customizable greeting card. It removes corks in seconds and is simple to operate with one button. The vacuum stoppers help preserve your wine longer, while the card makes it perfect for birthdays or holidays.
Though basic in design, it covers the essentials for any wine drinker.